Cleaning bathtub and shower, an essential bathroom chore. Welcome to our English language learning video on cleaning the bathtub and shower. In this lesson, we will cover the essential vocabulary and phrases related to this everyday household chore. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently talk about cleaning your bathtub and shower in English. Let's get started. To effectively communicate about cleaning the bathtub and shower, it's important to learn some key vocabulary. Here are some essential terms you should know. Bathtub, a large container filled with water for bathing. Shower, a device that sprays water for bathing. Cleaning supplies, tools and products used to clean. Sponge, a soft, absorbent pad used for cleaning. Scrub brush, a brush with stiff bristles used for scrubbing. Soap scum, a white residue left on surfaces after using soap. Mildew, a type of fungus that grows in damp areas. Drain, an opening through which water flows out. Rinse, to wash or clean with water. Dry, to remove moisture or wetness. Remember to pay attention to the pronunciation of each word as you repeat after me. Practice saying the words aloud to improve your pronunciation skills. Now that we know the important vocabulary, let's learn how to clean the bathtub and shower step by step. Here's a simple process you can follow. 1. Gather your cleaning supplies. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary cleaning supplies such as a sponge, scrub brush, cleaning solution, and a towel. 2. Remove any items. Take out any personal items such as shampoo bottles or shower curtains from the bathtub and shower area. 3. Prep the area. Wet the bathtub and shower surfaces with warm water to loosen any dirt or grime. 4. Apply cleaning solution. Spray or apply the cleaning solution to the surfaces. Be sure to use a cleaner suitable for your specific bathtub and shower materials. 5. Scrub the surfaces. Use the sponge or scrub brush to scrub the bathtub and shower surfaces. Focus on areas with soap scum, mildew, or stains. Apply some extra pressure if needed. 6. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the surfaces with water to remove the cleaning solution and any remaining dirt. Pay attention to corners and hard-to-reach areas. 7. Dry the surfaces. Use a towel or cloth to dry the bathtub and shower surfaces. Make sure they are completely dry to prevent mildew or water spots. 8. Clean the drain. Lastly, don't forget to clean the drain. Use a drain cleaner or remove any hair or debris that may be clogging the drain. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly cleaning your bathtub and shower will help maintain a clean and hygienic bathroom. In this section, we'll cover some useful phrases you can use when talking about cleaning the bathtub and shower. These phrases will help you express yourself clearly and effectively. I need to clean the bathtub and shower today. Can you pass me the cleaning supplies, please? I'm going to scrub the surfaces to remove the dirt. After cleaning, I rinse the bathtub and shower with water. I always dry the surfaces to prevent mold or mildew. Cleaning the drain is an important part of the process. Practice these phrases and try using them in context to improve your conversational skills. Congratulations! You have